for life experience begins in the sales department, but the service department is really the backbone that keeps your vehicles on the road for many years to come. Due to the complexity of today's vehicles, our service department is needed more than ever. And here at the Karl Auto Group, we offer you a great opportunity to build a career. Working at the best facility with the highest trained staff and the latest technology allows you to get the job done and get it done right. Continuing education is at our core, and the Karl Auto Group is one of the most extensively trained dealerships in the country, with 21 GM Master Technicians and 14 of us achieving the highest level as GM World Class Technicians. No other dealer even comes close. Let's hear from a couple of our technicians and why they chose their career at the Karl Auto Group.
My name is Evan Larson, and I've been with Karl Chevrolet a little over 2 years now. I started down at the Quick Lube in June of 2019.
I'm Randy Graff. I'm a world-class technician, and I've been at Karl Chevrolet for 17 years.
So I was starting down at DMAC, and I went through the General Motors program specifically.
The world-class status is good because it gives you the knowledge to perform your job better and more thoroughly.
Come in and at least go for a tour of the place, and I think you'll see that the environment here it's a really good environment.
Karl Auto Group is your dealer for life, and it's time to make us your employer for life. We care about your success and look forward to giving you a long-standing career in the automotive field. We offer competitive benefits including paid vacation, vehicle and service discounts, medical, dental, vision, and available 401k plans. To learn more about this, log on to karlchevrolet.com/employment.